Here we are, close up and personal. We're going to go in through the colours, and which is the first colour that we're going to go for, Piera?
So, first colour I'm going to go for is Can't Hear Myself Pink. And we're doing a bit of an abstract look today.
Ooh la la.
So I've got a fine liner brush. Both colours in this design, I want to wipe my brush in between colours, and I'm going to go in and take Precious Peony now, and I'm going to apply that on the other end of the nail, nearer the tip, but kind of at the side like I have with this one as well.
Okay.
So, available on our site, we've got a fine nail art brush, we've got a fan brush, we've got our dotting tools. Our little dotting tool is my favourite dotting tool, I use it for everything.
Yeah.
And we've also got a striper brush, and I'm trying to think what our other brushes are.
Yeah.
We've got
brush galore, basically.
brush galore. I can't remember all the brushes, too many.
So your favourite tool by the SensatioNail is the dotting tool?
Yeah, I love the dotting tool.
I like the sound of the fan brush.
The fan brush is nice for like, it's good for like an ombre and stuff like that.
Oh, I like that. I like an ombre.
Because you've got a nice sort of wide area where you can really blend the colours together.
I like the colour as well, because I was thinking when I saw it, I thought, oh, this is a very bright colour. But actually, if you build it up, you can make it into that bright colour with maybe 2 or 3 coats. But I really like the colour it is right now. What's the name of this colour again?
So with this one is the Precious Peony, and then that one's Can't Hear Myself.
Oh, wow.
You want to put those in the lamp for me?
Okay, going in the lamp for the whole time now.
So next I'm going to add a little bit of white, so using a bit of white lily for this design, and I'm going to take our marbling and dotting tool, my favourite tool, and we're going to add some nice bits of white there.
Oh, wow. That's super easy.
It's loads of fun, that's why I love this tool, because you can get, the great thing about a marbling and dotting tool when you use it is once you put the polish on there, the more you dot it, the smaller the dot gets. So when we do some dotting later, because we're going to add some dots to this design in the white with the black, I'll show you how the size of the dots change.
Yeah.
Dependent on how many times you use the polish to dot. So that's great if you want to make really small little intricate dots. It's really good if you're doing like cute Christmas designs of like a snowman or something.
I think it's
really
pretty pigmented white as well. I mean, I've always said it, but white is such a hard colour to come by to make sure that it's pigmented and it doesn't...
It can be quite wishy-washy.
Yeah. What's the next colour?
Now we're going to add some Midnight Rendezvous, and we're going to do some little dots in the black on our little white circles, and we're going to add some nice stripes in black as well. And then I'm going to see how it looks, and if I think it needs more, I'm going to do some little dots with our dotting tool in white in any areas that I think need a fill.
There's so much you can do with a dotting tool.
There is.
And they last for a lifetime, don't they?
Exactly. And what I think is really fun with nail art is you can get, you know, to a certain point and you can think, do I stop here? Do I add on? And you can really experiment.
And if I want my nails to last for 2 weeks, you need to make sure to wear those washing up gloves when you're like washing up doing any of that stuff because you don't want to soak your hands in water for the first 24 hours because otherwise, you know, your polish will come off straight away and we don't want that. If you want also tips and tricks on how to make your polish last longer, we made a video on that and you should go and check out the link down below. So that's another precise brush, but just shorter. And you can get a precise brush like that in SensatioNail, right?
Yeah.
How do you clean your tools then? Would you say acetone or is that quite tricky?
It depends on the fibres. So if you're using brushes with natural fibres, I wouldn't recommend using acetone because it can fry the fibres, but if you're using synthetic, then you're okay to sort of, I'd usually maybe wrap a little cotton wool pad with some acetone around them for a couple of minutes and then it will just wipe off.
There you go, that's a good tip for anyone that buys the tools. You know, you want them to last long and to be...
If you keep them clean sort of while you're using them, then you'll have less need to sort of have to soak them in any chemicals if you just keep wiping them.
Yeah.
Usually, while I'm doing the nails, I'll wipe them with some cleanser.
Yeah, I did notice that you've been doing that to keep it nice and tidy.
Exactly. Okay, I'm just going to top coat it.
Right, okay. So just need half the time now. So this is our final look that our nail expert Piera has created. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to show us your designs. As always, make sure to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, and that bell notification button, ka-ching. But other than that, I will see you next time. See ya!